Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Restoration Renegades. I'm your host and official Restoration Renegade, Jeremy West. And today I have with me two experts from Dalworth Restoration, the bearded Southern gentleman with the infectious laugh, Mr. Nick Hobbs, and the restoration mother hen herself, always keeping the guys in line, Robin Kent. And last but not least, the official redneck do-it-yourselfer renegade, Mr. Jason Ward. All right, guys, we've got an important question here, and it's one of the most important questions, or most of the popular questions, and that is, how do we find a water leak inside a wall?
Wow, I can just see somebody coming to work one day, and they open up, start walking through the office, and they hear the sloshing of water.
Right.
And they may see this water, but may not know where the leak is coming from. So is that a plumber question? Is that a water leak detection company question, or is that a restoration question at that point?
I would definitely say that it's kind of all in one, but you definitely want to call a restoration company first and then get a plumber or a water detection company out there. Right, Nick?
Yeah, it's a combination of a few things, right? So we've got to first kind of see what's going on and determine whether or not, if there's even a pipe that goes through the wall in that area, if it even makes sense, or again, if it's if it's something outside, it could be rain, it could be a sprinkler system, and so, we can get out there and test for moisture within the structure and kind of figure out what's going on. But a lot of times it's a group effort between plumbing companies, leak detection, and a lot of times we can figure it out just through thermal imaging and our equipment that we use. So it could be several answers.
Mm-hmm. So what makes it so hard to find the leaks? Is it because the water might travel a little bit, and you don't just want to take a box cutter and just start cutting sheetrock till you find it?
Definitely not.
That's what I would do.
That's what I would do. Yeah, if you want to increase the cost, go for it.
Yeah, okay.
So how do you find it? What does a person do, and what do you hear on the phone? Like people asking questions like, how do I find this thing? What do you guys do?
Well, if it's a leaking pipe, then that would be something for the plumber. They've got special tools that they can locate and determine through pressure testing and things of that nature. But for us, we can go through with thermal imaging cameras and see the actual temperature differentials on the walls and use our moisture meters to test the moisture content and get a good idea of what's wet. And of course, that's ideally going to be where the source is at, or causation. So just through the process of elimination, kind of.
I would imagine most business owners don't have thermal imaging devices in their kit of tools.
No, they definitely don't.
So clarify with me though. So should they call you guys first, or a plumber, or both at the same time, or?
Well, sometimes it happens that way. I think a lot of times they're freaked out just because they've got water on the flooring and they need a company like us to come out and start the drying process to mitigate the damage. But then again, a lot of times they'll call us in conjunction with the plumber. So it could be several different ways that it happens or goes down.
All right, guys, so if you have a water leak, call a plumber or leak detection company. And if you have physical water damage, go to restorationrenegades.com to find the official Renegades in your area. And also be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell so that you get all of our updates. And we'll see you on the next episode of Restoration Renegades.